At about 4 a.m. Monday, February 3rd, 2014, a snowstorm reached New Jersey and other areas in the Northeast. This storm produced significant downpouring of white, fluffy stuff in the Delaware Valley. Trenton, New Jersey, where I live, got about 6 to 8 inches of snow. Luckily, this happened about 6 hours after Super Bowl 48 ended at MetLife Stadium in East Rutherford, New Jersey. Many area residents had been adversely impacted by this storm and continued to feel its effects on Wednesday. Usually, I do not function very well in cold weather. Moreover, I was praying I would not lose electricity like others since I'm an online student at Full Sail University. Due to the inclement weather, schools, government buildings, and businesses were closed or opened late. The snow continued to fall all day until about 5 p.m. Activities outside were limited to people shoveling and plowing their yards, driveways, and sidewalks. Others, including myself, tried to clean the snow from the top of our cars and to dig our vehicles out. Yet, tons of snow remained on the ground. By Wednesday morning, there was freezing rain that caused much flooding and slushy ice all over roadways, driveways, and yards. It was slippery and difficult to walk outside without proper footwear such as tall rubber rain boots to step in the puddles of icy water. I had difficulty getting to and from my car. A man who seemed to have lost control of his footsteps fell in the snow and hurt his hand. He showed me his bandaged hand as he complained about it.
I got on the ice myself.
By Wednesday, the conditions seemed to have alleviated with frozen rain because it melted some of the snow and made driving a bit easier. However, it also caused flooding in basements, such as my mother's. The roads were flooded too. And even though there was melting ice, there also remained black ice and frozen ice beneath it all. The Delaware River in Trenton had blocks of frozen ice floating, and the water also rose close to its banks. I am trying to survive this harsh winter weather as I stay in school, but temperatures will be below freezing for much of the winter, and more snow is expected for the season.